Hello, Tech Savvy. Ready to tackle a tech challenge together? How to wrap text around an image in Microsoft Word. Having trouble figuring out how to wrap text around an image in Microsoft Word? If you're trying to make your Word document look more polished and professional by aligning text with your images, you're in the right place. Let's get started and transform your plain Word documents into something more visually appealing. Place your cursor where you want the image to appear in the document. In the top menu, click on the Insert tab. Select Pictures from the menu to open options for inserting an image. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored, then select the image. Click the Insert button at the bottom of the dialog box to place the image in your document. By default, Word inserts it in line with text, treating it as if it's part of a line of text. Click on the image to select it, which will bring up the Format tab in the ribbon at the top of Word. Click on the down arrow of Wrap Text in the Arrange section. From the drop-down menu, choose a text wrapping option. Square to wrap text around the square edges of the image. Tight for wrapping text around the actual shape of the image, useful for non-rectangular images. Top and bottom, if you want the text to stay above and below the image without wrapping around it. Behind text, to place the image as a background behind the text. In front of text, to have the image overlap the text. After choosing a wrapping option, click and drag the image to reposition it anywhere in the document. Experiment with different text wrapping options if needed to get the look you want. And that's it. You now know how to wrap text around an image in Microsoft Word. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips on Windows. Thanks for watching.